Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. We have seen now so many of NRIs, Indians, are coming back to India. Even around you also you might have seen. In my society, at least 4 or 5 families have come back from America. Now, what is the reason for this? And what will be the outcome of it? Or in the same way, if many of our Indians come back to India, whether it will be blessing to India, or why do they come? We will learn one after the other. So when I spoke to those people who have returned from America, I came to know that first thing is they are unhappy about Trump's new policies. He always thinks America is the first, job should be given to Americans first. From his side, he is correct. Everyone feels about his own country. So, till now we are knowing from all over the world, best brains used to go to America and they used to work for America. So, he feels that now all the best things, let it be AI, let it be whatever, everything should be in the hands of the Americans. That is why he has warned the well-known companies not to hire Indians in America. So our Indians feel that their dream about America, it may not be as it was in the olden days. They might be the outsiders there. And moreover, you are knowing the present policy of green card issues or visa and all, it is changing day by day. So, they don't like to stand in a queue and wait for that and all that tension, stress, they don't want. That is why they feel that it is better to come back to India. And some more, they miss the family there. Here we are having our uncle, our aunt, our cousin, this and that. There you don't have anyone. So they miss their families a lot. Because in India we are having family functions, we go meet and all. So they miss that a lot. Next, some of them, they don't want to grow their children or their kids in America because they feel that the educational system there, higher education is good, they don't say, but a lot of freedom is given to the kids. And they themselves feel that if that much freedom is given, children won't study more. And some of the parents agreed, if my mom would not have been strict with me, I would not have become an engineer, she said. So they feel that India is good or the best, at least for the lower education. And culture, our Indian culture, it is different. So these people even miss the Indian culture there. And many of them said they missed the food. Indian food is the world's best, they said. And our street food, chaat, this and that, you don't get. Even if you get that, you don't get the taste of India, they said. So they miss the Indian food. And health care is cheap in India compared to America. In America, it is very, very costly, whereas in India, health care is cheap. One more very important thing many of them told is they don't get the domestic help there. Here we get our maid or Mali to work in our garden and all. But there you don't get. Even if you get, it is too costly that you can't afford it. That is why they feel like coming back and staying in India is good. And some of them, though in the beginning for the sake of payment, money, they have gone there. Later on they feel homesick. That is why they feel like coming back. So these are the different reasons. They differ from person to person, and because of these reasons they have come back to India. Now what about whether it is blessing in disguise? Yes, I feel that it is blessing in disguise, because always you are knowing necessity is mother of invention. Even when land route to India was blocked at Constantinople, then they thought of finding a sea route to India. So necessity is mother of invention. So till now, the best brains from India, they go to America, they work there, they work for America. Even in Silicon Valley, they told me 30% of the people there are working are Indians, whether Indians or Indians by origin. So when these people come back to India and when they start working here, you are knowing it will be definitely of help to India. Our Indians are very clever, very smart. If they are provided that much payment, those conditions and everything here, nobody feels like going there. After all, who likes to go so far away, leaving your family and everything? They go there mainly because they get good salary there. In short, it is the fact. So, if they get the same in India, I don't think nobody will prefer to go there. So, if Donald Trump is strict, he is ordering the companies not to hire Indians in the American companies, I feel that it is of help to us. It is a blessing in disguise, because our brilliant brains, then they will work for India who were working till now to America. I think Trump has done the nice thing, good it is, so that our brains, they will work here, they will do new research, new things in India, and India will give it to the whole world. Mind my words, this is going to happen 100%. That is why let Donald Trump do anything. Whatever he does is good. Let him do. And after all, he will think like that, quite but natural. Being the head of the country, he has to think about his people. Nothing wrong about that. If our Prime Minister also thinks like that, it is good only. Every nation head will first think for his own people, his own citizens. So let Trump have his own policies, his own strategies, but 100% they are blessings to India. What do you think about this? Let me know about your comments in the comment box. Have a good day. All the best.